Check out these Trade Tools exclusive Renegade Industrial 129-piece portable toolkits. With incredible quality and value, this versatile and hard-wearing toolkit has a wide selection of tools for everyday use. Packed into a durable case that you can toss into the back of your ute without a worry. Every tool in this kit is forged from chrome vanadium steel with rubberized handles for grip and comfort. And you can even split the durable blow-molded case in half at the hinges, giving you more flexibility on the job. Choose from a selection of 72-tooth ratchets, sockets, combination spanners, screwdrivers, hex keys, wrenches, pliers, and more. For the full list of tools included in the kit, make sure you check it out on our website. Covering both metric and imperial, this all-rounder is a portable powerhouse for professionals in a variety of trades, and backed by a limited lifetime warranties on all sockets and hand tools. You can't go wrong when you add one of these kits to your arsenal. Packed to the brim with almost every tool you need for everyday tasks, you can't look past these Trade Tools exclusive Renegade Industrial 129-piece portable toolkits. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments, or you can grab yourself one at your nearest Trade Tools store or online at tradetools.com.